If you want to get started with Todoist, the first step is creating your account. And in this video, I'll walk you through the entire sign-up process in the simplest way possible. Whether you want to use Google, Apple, Facebook, or your email address, I'll show you exactly what to click and what to expect so you can set up Todoist quickly and start organizing your tasks right away. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step software guides. To begin, open your browser and go to the official Todoist sign-up page. Once the page loads, you'll see several ways to register. If you already use Google, Apple, or Facebook and want a faster login experience, you can choose one of those options. Just click Continue with Google, Continue with Apple, or Continue with Facebook, and Todoist will connect that existing account to your new workspace. If you prefer not to use a social account, you can create your Todoist account with an email address instead. Look for the email field, type in your personal email address, and then click Continue with Email. This option is great if you want to keep your Todoist login separate from your social media accounts or if you simply want a more traditional sign-up method. If you selected the email option, Todoist will ask you to create a secure password. Make sure your password is strong, unique, and something you can remember. A good password should include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols whenever possible. Once you've entered your password, continue to the next step so Todoist can finish setting up your account. After that, you'll be asked to enter your name. This helps personalize your account and makes your Todoist experience feel more organized from the start. Then you'll move into a short onboarding questionnaire. This is where Todoist asks a few simple questions to customize your initial Workspace dashboard based on how you plan to use the app. Take your time with this part because the answers you give can shape your first experience inside Todoist. Whether you're using it for personal productivity, work tasks, study planning, or team collaboration, the onboarding setup helps Todoist recommend the right layout and features for you. Once you finish the questionnaire, your Todoist account will be ready and you'll land inside your dashboard. From there, you can start adding tasks, creating projects, setting due dates, and organizing your day more efficiently. The whole process only takes a few minutes, but it gives you a powerful system for staying on top of everything you need to do. So that's how to sign up and create a Todoist account step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want to see more Todoist tutorials, productivity tips, or app walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.